Hey bosses! In this video, you'll learn how to create round-robin bookings. Round-robin bookings allow to assign multiple members of your team on one appointment, so your customers can choose the person to work with, or the system will automatically distribute customers based on your team members' availability. Round-robin bookings are not made through your team's booking pages, but from your company's booking page. Firstly, make sure you're signed into the company account. Now go to the Booking Pages section. Click on Appointments. Now click on the Add Appointment button. We will name it Test Round Robin. Here we can add your team members that can receive bookings for this appointment. Now the round-robin booking page is set. Here you can manage team members' access to this specific appointment. Next, we can add more information to like the appointment's description and duration. You can also change other settings. For example, by ticking this box, you can allow your visitors to choose which team member to book their appointment with. Once you're ready, click Save Changes. And you can preview the booking page for this appointment. So here we have an appointment we just created, where your visitors can choose who they want to meet with and choose the day and time for a meeting. Important note: your team members' availability has to be set up on their individual accounts. Here is where to check and adjust it. That's it for now, bosses. That's how to set up and utilize round-robin appointments.